What's up, YouTube? TMZ1313 here. Today, I just want to do a little experiment. Does heat kill efficiency on solar panels? Uh, it's a well-known fact that it does, in fact, do that. But I'm gonna just do a little experiment and see what happens. So right now, I'm getting 32 amps and about 870 watts worth of power. So let's go outside and cool those panels down. It's pretty hot out today, probably about 90. I'm going to just spray them with water and dry them off real quick, and we're going to see what happens to see if they get a better efficiency. Alright, I'll see you in a second. So yeah, I'm just spraying it down, cooling it down. And this one wants to do it, but... Alright, you do it. There you go. Spray him down. Good job. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, good job. Alright, so I just went and sprayed them. I'm actually getting 1.01 kilowatts, so 1010 watts. I'm getting 36.9 amps. So yeah, that just shows you. I'll do a quick math thing to see what the percentage is. But yeah, so heat kills efficiency on panels. Now, can you really do anything about that? No, you can't. I mean, unless you want to water them down constantly, that's just a waste of water. Maybe I'll try to think of some other way of doing it. But yeah, so we're getting at least 140 more watts with them being cooled down. I just sprayed them down with my hose. So that just shows you a good way of doing it.